Today I'm making a video talking about installing a new valve cover gasket on your engine. This is a Mini Cooper I'm using for example. Just want to talk about something I see pretty often. A lot of times when people aren't very, when they're new at this whole thing, or if they just don't have a whole lot of experience, they out of paranoia put silicone everywhere on a car that has a valve cover gasket that's this style, a nice groove and a rubber seal. That causes more problems than it does good. It's not gonna make your gasket work any better or stop anything from leaking. If the surface is clean, this goes for every valve cover gasket you see that's this style, pretty much most modern cars. If the surface is nice and clean and you tighten your bolts to spec, and it's not going to leak. The only place where I think silicone is appropriate, and the only place where the manufacturer uses it, is in corners like this where two castings meet each other. Right in this corner you would use a little blob of sealant here, silicone, and then a little blob back here, because there's a separate plate here and this may not be able to fill in that void, so you see that a lot of times right from the factory even. So blob of silicone here, blob of silicone here. The rest of this just goes on dry, just nice and clean, and bolted down. So just a quick note. Thanks.